Hi there, I'm Valeri from Built to Soar. Remember the days when you felt ease and joy as you moved through your workday? A time when you had a sense of fluidity between your mind and the task at hand. You were totally absorbed by what you were doing to a point where nothing was able to distract you. This is what it feels like to be in flow, and it's a beautiful thing to experience in life and work. When you're in that flow state, you become deeply connected with the task at hand, creating an effortless momentum in your work. Being in flow heightens your clarity and creativity, and you're able to get more accomplished while feeling less stress, because stress can't survive when you're in a flow state. Being in flow doesn't just happen, you must make it happen. So here are a few ways to spark flow in your workday. First of all, silence the chatter. There's so much noise around you, whether it's external pings, notifications, buzzing phones, or internal. All that remembering, mulling, ruminating, all these things prevent you from being in a state of flow. Now, once these are silenced, you're able to clear your mind so you can connect with your purposeful work. Secondly, tap into your peak energy time. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, working within your peak energy times encourages flow. Trying to work in flow outside of those energy zones will feel like you're walking through mud. You'll get distracted easier, and it will take you longer to accomplish your tasks. And finally, pick a challenging task. Flow state is achieved when the activity is challenging enough to engage your mind while not being too difficult that it becomes hard to accomplish. Because as I always say, when things feel hard, you may welcome distractions to pull you away. Putting these 3 things in place in your workday will help encourage flow to appear and help you accomplish your work with energy, ease, and flow. That is your next step to designing your business so it's built to soar. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.